Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making some loaded shrimp nachos. So let's get into this tea, honey. These nachos were amazing according to my husband, because you know I can't eat no shrimp. But this is my shrimp right here. This is about a pound of shrimp. I have some ground beef. You can use ground turkey or leave it out altogether. You're going to need some salsa, some seasoning, but we'll get to that right now. So to my shrimp, I'm going to season it up with this zingy cilantro lime seasoning, as well as some chili powder. Mix that up, put it to the side while we move on to the other toppings, which are going to be tomato and jalapeno. You can use the toppings you prefer, but I prefer to go with this just to add more color and zing to the nachos. So now we're going to cook the beef up just like this, and then we're going to cook the shrimp. Now, the reason why I'm watching my salt here is because I'm using Doritos, and you know Doritos are salty. You know, they already, have salt on them. So you don't want to over season your meat nor your shrimp, because then that's going to be a salt bomb. So in the back there, my beef is already cooked. I broke it down, mixed it up. All I added was the Southwest seasoning, and that was fine. This is the shrimp, honey. Look at the shrimp looking luscious. Oh my God, I wish I could eat shrimp, y'all. Like, I was cursed to not be able to eat shrimp. Anyway, these are the cheeses that I'll be using, the Mexican style blend, as well as this chipotle that's all gonna go down inside of the cheese sauce that we're about to make right now. To my big old pot, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of butter, a couple tablespoons of flour. Once that cooks out for 1 minute, you want to add your heavy cream or milk, if that's what you have. Mix it up vigorously. You really want to break it up. Make sure you have no lumps, just like this. I am going to season the sauce with a little bit of salt. You don't need a lot of seasoning here because of this salsa. This salsa is very strong, very seasoned, and very spicy. Now, this is to your own discretion. If you want to over season or season more this sauce, it's up to you. But I'm just going to use that salsa, the Southwest seasoning, which is salt free, and a little salt, and that's it. Because yeah, it's really, really spicy. Then you're going to add the entire bag of 8-ounce cheese down in there. Mix it up, and that's it, girl. That's it. But I think I did taste it. I'm going to taste it to see if I need more salt or seasoning. This is why I always tell you guys to taste your food. So next, this is going to be the topping, which is sour cream, cilantro, scallions, and some lime juice. You want to mix that up. And that's the sour cream topping for our nachos. Alright, now it's finally time to build this thing. Now, you can build it how you prefer. However, I'm going to layer it. So I'm going to add some Doritos on the bottom, cheese sauce, some meat, just like this. A little bit of shrimp, because I want to save most of them for the top. Add some of your tomatoes, jalapenos down on here. Next, you're going to add some more chips. Then you're going to go down with some more cheese. Yes, I had to slow it down and be dramatic. Yes, I did. Alright, so this is what my loaded shrimp nachos look like. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye, y'all. Y'all should have seen his reaction when he saw this. I'm on my phone now because, let me show y'all the phone. The phone picks it right up.